All right, it's October 2nd, 10:30 in the morning. It's pretty cool out here this morning. Nice, beautiful autumn day. We're looking at the Pisgah Covered Bridge here in North Carolina. I was headed over to Seagrove. I was going to check that little town out and saw this little bridge here. So I just wanted to stop in and check it out. Beautiful old bridge. You can see the moss going off the roof there. Great stonework they got right along the bottom. You can see the new bridge right off to the right there. Yeah, I imagine when this bridge was built, this was a godsend to the people who would have had to come down through here and cross this creek at one time or another to get to the other side. I don't know where they would have went across. It's pretty rocky right here, so I'm assuming up to upstream there somewhere probably. But yeah, to be able to cross this river with your wagon, especially if the water was high, you couldn't have done it then. You'd had to wait. And this bridge, I imagine, was just a marvel for them at the time. It's a marvel now the way they made these beautiful old bridges. They've come in and done some restoration work. I'm sure this piece here wasn't here at the time. I don't think. It may have been, but there would have been. I have a feeling it was just dirt right up to it. This is a parking lot for it here. You can see old Rev Park there. I got some garbage cans over there for you. See some kids being over there doing some graffiti on the bridge. I hope they hadn't done this one up too bad. I can see them writing things right here on these little posts they got to keep people from driving out on it. Yeah, you can see they've been in here doing their job. I hate to see that. I don't know, it just takes away from the bridge and what people are trying to do here. This is a problem with the people. I have a feeling a lot of these are kids, and people need to raise their kids to be more respectful of other people's property. And this is public property, so they should be respectful to it. I mean, they wouldn't want somebody to come up to their house and just spray paint on the wall, would they? No matter how good the art is, and of course none of this is really art, it's just graffiti. And they're just having a good time, I guess, but I don't like it. I don't think the kids that's doing it will like it once they get older. And if there's older kids doing this, then I don't know what to think about them. They need to grow up. Some of it's in chalk, which ain't bad. You can get that chalk off. Yeah, check the wood on this bridge. Beautiful. I was down here by myself, but I hear a car coming in now behind me, so get a little company here. Yeah, there's the road there, and it would have turned, come straight down through here. Yeah, many a wagon would have crossed this bridge. You can just hear them hooves going across it now, and I imagine maybe automobiles, I guess, could have went across it. I don't have any information on this bridge right now because I don't have any signal. Got some steps over there, so I'm gonna walk over there and we'll take a look from that angle, and then we'll go around, and they got a little trail. We'll take that and see what they got. We're walking on down on this little trail they made down through here. This is nice. Get a look back toward the bridge now. Two more people came in, they're looking at the bridge, talked to them. Yeah, some good guys. And there's another car pulled in, so I decided to come on and walk the trail. Maybe when I get back, we'll scoot down them steps and look at the bottom. Man, how beautiful is this? Love the way you get this trail down through here. I like the way these, I don't know what these are called right here, but I like the way they curve and branch in different directions. This one in front. Beautiful creek down there with all the stones in it. I wish I knew the name of it. Should have got more information, but I wasn't expecting to stop here. Just kind of run up on it. Sometimes that's fun to do too. So I'll throw something up on the screen when I get back to editing more about it. Man, you know good and well that this is the swimming hole for people back in the day. I guarantee kids and adults and alike's all been down in that hole. And if it was warm, I'd be down in there right now myself. Just going around. Got another bridge down there. I don't think it's too long. I think it circles back around to the bridge. I really want to thank the people that took the time to do this. I'm really enjoying this little unexpected stop. It's graveled all the way so you can get a wheelchair down through here. They made bridges here. Look at this nice bridge they got going across. Yeah, kids been down in here again. Well, here's a look up the creek. Oh, just beautiful today. Fall colors are just perfect. Both directions. I love this creek down through here. Got this stone right here off to the right that it goes over. Reminds me of a rock I had down in the woods behind my house when I was a kid. It was a little bit bigger than that. We always called it the Big Rock. And all the kids from the neighborhood go down there and meet up and hang out. The creek not far by, like not too far away from it, just like this one. We played all up in there and run up all them trails and stuff. I said you could bring a wheelchair around. You could bring it to that certain point, but you couldn't get over these steps. But you could do that section and maybe come around and come back this way. We're already turned, headed back to the bridge now. It's not going to be a long walk. Tina loves Daniel Boone, 10/20/21. Daniel Boone. That's a historic name, ain't it? Tina, she loves him. Brandon T and Molly P, they've been hooking up. Shy and Sierra in 2019, I wonder if they made it. Yeah. Tina Shelton, she's all about her some Daniel Boone. Yeah, another car coming in. This place is getting crowded. I think I'll head on out, but we'll take one last look at the bridge from the bottom and call it right there. All right, I'm gonna call it right here, looking up this beautiful old bridge. Yeah, talked to a couple of women right before they took off on that trail we just walked. She said this bridge got washed off these rocks at one time, pilings, whatever you call them, and they had to come back and put it back up on there. So I'm glad people took the time to do that and to save these old bridges. I think there might be one of only 2 bridges left in North Carolina. Yeah, we were talking about all the dirt roads that used to be all through these counties and stuff, and I imagine this was a dirt road that crossed right here. Yeah, a long time ago. Just beautiful out here today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little stop at this attraction here in North Carolina. If you did, I appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and share. Y'all take care.